In our last video, we covered unfiltered information, which is research that hasn't experienced a second look by another researcher outside the peer review process. Filtered information has had a second look and is therefore considered of higher quality and appears higher up on our pyramid. We'll discuss 3 types of filtered information in this video: critically appraised individual articles, critically appraised topics or evidence synthesis, and the holy grail of evidence-based practice, systematic reviews. We'll also discuss which databases we can find this type of information in, which include 2 of the databases we can find filtered information in, PubMed and CNOL, but also an additional database, Cochrane, which only has systematic reviews. Many evidence-based titled journals will publish articles which summarize and/or analyze recent, relevant publications in other medical journals, Warner 2024. These are critically appraised individual articles. Essentially, an author will read a popular or otherwise intriguing article, then summarize and assess the article and publish it in a journal. Because this is only one additional set of eyes on one article, it's the lowest in the filtered information section of the pyramid. In the middle of the filtered information section of our pyramid are critically appraised topics, or sometimes they're called evidence synthesis. Basically, a critically appraised topic is a short, published literature review that answers a question posed to meet a patient need. According to Kelly and Cronin, 2011, from the patient encounter, a clinical question is generated, which leads to a literature search for studies to answer it. From the retrieved literature, the most valid and relevant articles are chosen and are critically appraised. The main study results are summarized and translated into clinically useful measures of accuracy, efficacy, or risk. At the top of our pyramid are systematic reviews. According to National Library of Medicine, a systematic review is a review of primary literature in health and health policy that attempts to identify, appraise, and synthesize all the empirical evidence that meets specified eligibility criteria to answer a given research question. Its conduct uses explicit methods aimed at minimizing bias in order to produce more reliable findings regarding the effects of interventions for prevention, treatment, and rehabilitation that can be used to inform decision-making. Because of how lengthy, broad, and long-term these studies are, they are at the very top of our pyramid. One of the best places to find systematic reviews, though not the only place, is Cochrane Library. Cochrane Library publishes Cochrane Reviews, which is essentially their brand of systematic reviews. We'll look at the specifics of searching in Cochrane Library in a later video. We can also find filtered information in PubMed and CNOL, though we may want to use some of the features in our advanced search to limit our results to just filtered information. We'll discuss the features of those specific searches in later videos as well. Thanks for watching.